So here's the full menu of our tricycle eh. Again, here's the full menu of Daddy Ed's birthday. Alright. Wala pa tayong binilad eh. Yan. Happy birthday, Lord. Thank you, thank you. What's up mga kabahaw? Alright, so andito na naman tayo sa panibagong vlog. Again, welcome to my vlog. I'm your chef dad, Maki Soliendra. And, you know, eto na yung pinakikitay namin. This is our first catering event. Full catering. Ha? So kung mapapansin nyo, eto, nandito kami ngayon sa Las Piñas, sa Moonwalk Village, Las Piñas. And dito ginaganap yung first na catering event namin after pandemic. And shout out to Daddy Ed. Happy birthday to you. Ha? So nandito yung Maki's Kitchen Catering Services para sa birthday mo. Ha? And look at this. Look at this. Huh. Alright. So here's our setup. Alright. Huh? And tulips. Oh, busy kami. Oh. Busy pa kami. Nag-prepare pa kami. Hindi pa kami buwis. Oh, yan si Mina. Yun, oh. Yan ang Mina. Yun. Alright. Huh? So, look at this. So elegant. White and gold motif. Alright. Okay. So, kung hindi pa kayo kung bago pa lang kayo sa channel ko, or sa channel namin, ha? Please subscribe to my channel. Please. And also hit the like button, comment below, and hit the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga bagong vlogs and videos namin. Alright. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga food na meron kami. Alright. Here you go. Okay. So, eto ang menu namin for today. For Daddy Ed's birthday. Okay. So, eto. Ayan. Meron tayong caldereta. It's not an ordinary caldereta. It's not an ordinary caldereta kasi ito ay beef, balat ng baka, at syempre, taba ng baka. Right. Yun. Caldereta. Okay, next. You know, that's peppered ribs. There you go. Ooh. Peppered ribs. Next. Chicken teriyaki. Chicken teriyaki. There you go. Okay naman natin. And then meron tayo buttered shrimp with lemon. There. And also chop suey. So here's the full menu of our tricycle. Again, here's the full menu of Daddy Ed's birthday. Alright. Hang on, say hi to my vlog. I-upload ko to mami. Ha?